Crawcain train, Mr. Tub. I've been in this store 2 days. I still ain't seen it all. My man, you got some stuff up in here. What's happening?
You scared me, Carson.
I'm sorry. I get excited.
What the?
I get excited when I'm in a place like this. God.
It's a wonder I didn't whoop your coon ass.
I don't blame you, but by God, you got some stuff. Look at this Crawcain train display. Look, you doing good, son.
We've been working on this.
By God.
Carson, you set us up not only as Northwest Louisiana place to come buy 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, but you set me up to come to be case dealers.
Absolutely.
So that if restaurants, caterers,
Yes.
we are your wholesale outlet for Crawcain.
We're going to tell them all, come here. Nowhere else.
That's awesome, man. So they'll save money in freight.
Right.
They'll save money in time.
Yes.
And we're going to have inventory here at Tubbs. Everybody that knows Tubbs knows that we're not scared to have inventory.
Absolutely.
So
Ready.
we're on the what now?
Road ready. Crawcain train first class seat, John.
Y'all come see us here at Tubbs for your Crawcain products. Back on up here.
Yes, indeed.
R&V Works fryers.
And we loaded, ready to go.
All your crawfish boilers.
So he got them big and he got them small. Whatever you want, he got it all.
With the crawfish balls. That's right.